During this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a simple formula with Microsoft Excel. We can look at the screen now and see for January and February the number of items sold, for example, of hats, shirts, shoes, and pencils. And then we have a third column after February that says total. And in this column we want to show the total amount. So if we click in the total cell for hats, we can see that that is cell D2. And we want to add the cells B2 and C2. So whenever we do a formula with Excel, the first thing we do is put in an equals symbol. So I click the equals key, and then I can click on cell B2. Then I put in the plus symbol and click on the cell C2, and then just click enter. And you can see that it shows the total is 10 for January and February. Now I could also just type in everything without clicking on the cells. For the row for shirts, I could just type in equals B3 plus C3. And of course we can substitute the minus symbol for the plus. We can use the asterisk as a multiplication symbol, and that's with shift and the number 8. And we can also use a division symbol, which is the slash. Now another way of putting these formulas in the other three cells for shirts, shoes, and pencils is to copy the formula that's in cell D2. So if I click on D2 and then put my cursor on the cell handle, which is this lower right-hand corner where we see the little block, if I put my cursor on that, hold down the mouse button and drag down and then let go, you see it copies the formula into all of those cells, and it does what's called a relative copy. So that the formula now in cell D3 we can see equals B3 plus C3. And those are the basics for doing a formula with Microsoft Excel. As a reminder, a formula always starts with an equal symbol.